Today we're making chicken curry with roasted cashews. Not only is this one of my favorite dishes, but it's a request that I get to make all the time at the fire department from all the guys.
I request it often too. This is one we've been playing around with for a while though. We lowered the amount of mayonnaise and decreased the amount of fat in there.
We have, and I was a little apprehensive at first, but it is delicious, and I'm starving, so.
Let's get to it.
Okay. Well, here you have it, folks. Chicken curry with roasted cashews.
This one is one of my absolute favorites to have as leftovers. You can eat it cold or hot. If you are having it for leftovers, I would recommend keeping the cashews separate. For this recipe and so many more, check out healthystepsnutrition.com.